Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. And what
Good.
about you?
I'm really good, thank you. What is your name?
I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan.
Sultan Ahmed. Nice to meet you. My name is Chris.
Nice to meet you too. You're from London?
No, I'm from South Africa.
Okay.
Yes. Where are you from?
My home country is Pakistan, but I live and work here in Saudi Arabia.
So, you are already an English teacher. I imagine
Exactly.
your English is quite proficient. What made you join Cambly?
I'm here just to practice my English.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
Because yes, please.
No, go on. Because?
Because I believe that when you communicate with native speakers, it is very beneficial for your spoken skills and your fluency as well.
Yes, exactly. Just quickly before we go on, I have a scheduled lesson in 23 minutes, so
Mhm.
perhaps I have to leave this class early if my student calls.
Okay, no problem. We
Um,
will we will finish it in 15 minutes
oh, okay, that's
so that
okay.
I can continue the remaining 15 minutes with another teacher.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, that's no problem. And then how do you like to have your lessons? Just general conversation practice?
Yes.
Okay, good. I tried
Okay.
to get a visa for Pakistan once. I wanted to climb K2, and
Okay.
yeah, I really like mountains. And I tried to
Mhm.
get a visa, but because I had been in India before, they wouldn't allow me the visa.
Oh, really?
Yes,
When did it happen?
2000 and now I must think, 2017?
Okay. Okay. So they gave you the same reason that you had been
That I had been
in
to
India.
India. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I wasn't sure if there were still problems between India and Pakistan at the time. Um, I don't know, but I wasn't allowed to go. So now I wait for when I get a new passport in I
Mhm.
think 3 years' time, then I will apply again to go to Pakistan and climb K2.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
In Pakistan, do you eat spicy?
Yes.
Good. I love spicy food. When I was in
Yes.
India, I was in the south and I had heard so much India is the place of spicy. So I was like, yes.
Yes.
Not in the south. In the south, they like sweet. So always I said, make it very spicy. They never made it very spicy, never. And I was really
Hmm.
surprised by this. Everyone says I must go more north.
Okay. So when did you go to
In 2017,
2017? Okay. Okay. How long did you stay there?
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was India like? Did you enjoy staying
I
there?
enjoyed it. It was very intense because there's
Mm-hmm.
so many people. There's so
Mm.
many people in this country. So it was very intense. Everything uh, moving around, it was hard work, but it was really beautiful.
Actually, I also love to visit India, but because of these strained relations between Pakistan and India, we are not allowed to go. But there are so many similar things between India and Pakistan. I have heard from different people that even the cities are very much similar. And if you go to Bombay, I think you feel like you are still in Pakistan, like in Karachi, because the roads, the infrastructure, the the people are also similar.
What
So
about
yes.
what about in Pakistan? Like, is it safe? Normally, if I go to different countries, I go alone. I don't
Mhm.
travel with my friends. So is it safe? Is it a safe country for say me to travel?
Yes, yes, it is safe. A lot of people go over there in order to visit different places. There are so many beautiful places as well. But sometimes it happens, and it actually depends on the area
Okay,
where you stay. Uh, if I say it is unsafe, it doesn't mean that the whole Pakistan is unsafe, but few areas. So tourists do come to Pakistan and they enjoy.
oh,
So you
Malaysia
should
is so
go.
beautiful. And I lived in
Yes.
Malaysia for 1 year, and in Malaysia there's a big Pakistani community. Um, and
Okay.
they've told me such nice things and shown me so many photos. So this is where it started
Hmm.
that I really wanted to go and visit Pakistan. But I mean, I come from South
Ex-
Africa, and South Africa, there's nowhere that's extreme, that's 100% safe. So I am used to a
uh,
life where you're not always safe, but I don't like to live that life.
uh, I have heard that in even in South Africa there are so many Pakistanis.
I believe so. I believe so.
Hmm.
In KwaZulu-Natal, in Durban, there's a big community of both Pakistanis and Indians. Uh,
Okay.
it's really nice over there.